What's up, guys? Peace Ninja here, back here for another video. Today we're on this build a boat to survive. And guys, as you guys can see, I already have a lot of stuff on this game. I have played this game a little bit before, and you have to get far to get pulled. And right now I'm moving pretty good. I think this music is copyrighted. So let's go. Oh, this part is so annoying with the rocks. If you hit a rock, you will actually lose a piece of your boat. And I survived a lot of it. Wow. I've never not hit one rock. Come on, let me survive. I'm trying to get to this treasure. I'm gonna get rich, boys. Oh my gosh, what is this? I still not. I have yet to actually touch it. What the heck? Right after this one, I'm just gonna get hit right from the back. What? It's just a lucky spot to win. Just the way to win. Oh, freak. No, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Don't touch the rock. Come on. Come on. Come on, dodge that rock. Oh my gosh. Here it is in the game. You guys forgot to do the left side. Oh, freak. Never mind. Dodge it. Dodge it. Dodge it. Why is my boat like turning? Can I control it? Or what control it? That'd be sick. Creators of the game forgot to do the left side. Oh, I see something up here. It's kind of scaring me. There's a lot of rocks. There's a lot of rocks up here. I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. Go on, dodge the rock. Boy, go get a life. Boy. He freaking made my boat stuck. I had the best boat in the game. Bye. Have a great time. Okay, guys, we're gonna see this going. Hopefully. Ooh, that actually made it better for me. Oh, dodge it, dodge it, dodge it. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, oh yeah, all of it got destroyed. What? I got 28 gold from that, guys. I'm about to make the most elite freaking thing in the game. Okay, I got 5 of those. 1 of those. 2 of these. Okay. One of these. 2 of these. Come on, give me some good stuff. Oh wait, I don't got any more money. So guys, right now, I'm gonna make a foundation. Like surrounding my seat. Oh, freak. Well, let me use these. Okay, guys. I'm literally gonna win. Come on. If I hit. Okay, so that doesn't hurt. But my boat looks legit freaking savage. Like, it looks like if it got hit, it would just go. Oh, look at these barriers. Oh my gosh. It's like I did that on complete accident. Oh geez, this is the best boat looking boat. No. Oh freak. No, don't touch it, don't touch it. Oh, good touch. I think I'm gonna survive it. Oh jeez. I'm so sorry guys if that was a little too loud. I'm so sorry. I'm sincerely sorry from the bottom of my heart. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay. So dodge that rock. I'm not dodging that rock, am I? Oh, too clean with it. Break my spleen with it. I'm dead. No, this is gonna take a big chunk out of me. Take it. Oh, it took away one of my barriers. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. I've made it like really far with this boat design. Jeez. Savage. If it like tips over something, I can hop out of my seat. Oh no, I'll stay in my seat if it tips over. It's that way. Yeah, that way. I need that moon out by Tuesday. Oh, I dodged it. Okay, I'm dodging these now. That took a big bite out of me right there. But I think I'm good. So it looks like they do regen. So, yeah. You kind of don't want to get hit. Oh, that was a really close rock. I'm done. I'm dead. Oh! Oh, that was so close to being done. Oh, freak. It's the mine zone. Please let me live. Please let me live. Oh, freak. What is happening? Oh, jeez. It's like, oh, there's like snow things coming down. Oh. I just took it. Oh, never mind. I'm exposed. It's not a good sight to see. Okay. One more way. Come on. Make it to the diamond part, because I think that's a lot. I don't know if you get coins from or gold from hitting things, or if it's just from going far. Oh, freak. If I don't hit this at all. I'm gonna hit it. Green one. Ooh. I made it really far. Jeez. What if you can't win? What if you legit can't win? You just go as far as you can. Wait, it's like really dark. Okay. Why am I going so good with this boat? Oh, freak. Stay on, little buddy. Oh, what the heck? Why was there? Oh, there's explosions. There's freaking explosions. Oh, jeez. Go. 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 Dodge the explosions. Go. Oh, there's like a freaking cannon. Go. 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 No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was the most scary part of this game. Oh no. Come on, Little Rock. Leave me alone. Okay. That literally didn't take any damage. Rip. Rip. If there's UFOs in the sky, that's how you know you're gonna die. If there's UFOs in the sky, that's how you know you're about to die. Let me just win one time. Just take out that thing right there. Ooh, yeah, good. Now we can connect to my boat. Booty, 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 booty. Oh, oh, freak, freak, freak. Don't die. Ooh, dodge it tonight. I think I'm gonna die tonight. Oh, what the freak? Bro, I was literally right there. Like, I think my boat legit might make it. It might make it, or I might not make it. Oh no, I might not make it. Ooh, wait, what? Wait. Oh, never mind. I got 5 right there. Give me that 5. Okay. Oh, I got 5 of those too. It's like I'm building a big, tall thing. I got one of those. What else did I get? One of these. Ooh. Okay, I have 8 gold. I have enough for a common chest. I have one of these. That's it, probably. Yep. Wait, you could save your own boats? Oh, freak. Get out of the shop. No. So you can save your boats. I can save my boats now. So I can try again and add more to it. Okay. For right now, I'm gonna go bang. I think this is gonna be the boat I'm gonna save. I think this boat's gonna win. It's gonna get us there. It's gonna get us there. It's gonna get us there. And literally right after this video, I'm doing the challenge video. I still don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I'll figure it out. For you guys, it's worth it. For you guys, it's worth it. Young boy. I don't know what the crap I'm building. I was gonna build a square, but now I'm just like freaking going savage on it. Whoa, this guy's MLG Pro over here. Okay, bang, bang, chicken wing. Okay, so now I can build again. I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna use it. Oh, see? Oh, hold up! Aro, what's up? What's up, Aro? What's up? What's up, my boy? The heck? The diamond minecart. You're not recording. Boy, you don't go get your life. Get out of my business. Okay, we're recording together. Me too. Okay, turn it up. Turn it up. Okay, I'm gonna tell him. This boat will make us survive. Okay, so you put your seat down. I'm gonna put my seat down. Oh, freak. Launch the boat. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, freak. Why? Rest in peace. Should have joined us, young boy. Then we would have been the OP team. But since you didn't want to join, you know, you gotta die. That's how it's gonna work. Turns up for the party. He said, why? Rest in peace. Take all the hits for us, young boy. Take all the hits. Take all the hits. It's okay. It's okay. Up. You're dead. Up. No, he's alive. He's alive. Good job. Take all the hits. Take all the hits. Take them all. My dog pooed right in front of me. I was on the blue team. I'm just letting people in now. Oh, freak. We're gonna die. God, I wish we could, like, pull that thing to us and just put it in front of us. Oh, we're done. A row. Rest in pieces. Oh, jeez. I don't even know where it's taking. Oh, freak. Dodge it. Go! Uh-oh. We're dying, bro. I can't believe Arel just joined me. That was crazy. What? The boat is breaking. Oh, freak. Take it to gears for us. Oh, no, we're gonna hit that. No. Yes. Oh, shoot. That's how the game works. Oh, shoot, we're done. Arel, we're gonna die. Arel, I did not prepare for this. Arel! No! What the heck just happened? What just happened, dude? What the freak just happened? Oh yeah, I forgot I had the flag. Turns up, young boy. Okay, so Arel's gonna do the first build, and I'll edit to his. So, oh freak, my bad. This boat is jacked up. It's not jacked as in buff and big, it's just jacked up. Okay. I'm freaking making the most trash boat ever. But I still have money to buy a case, so I guess I'm gonna buy this one right over here. Uncommon chest, okay. So now I have 5 more. Okay, so I have 5 of these. Oh geez, I'm just breaking it all. Oh no, everything's going wrong. Okay. So now I need to... No, wait. I need to place my seat. Place my seat on the pole. And what else? I need to save it. How do I save it? Shop. Oh, freak. We're screwed already. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. What'd I do? Oh, no. I kind of want to get on the top now. I did not think the flag was this big. We're gonna die. Aurel, you're gonna die. Aurel, get up here. Aurel, get up here. You're gonna die. Actually, I'm definitely gonna die. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna die. Oh, shoot. It's like wobbling. Wobbling, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, get up now. Yeah, yeah. Oh, shoot. We're gonna die. We're gonna freaking die. It's too much. It's too much sauce. Oh, no. Oh, no. Aurel? Oh, jeez, what the freak. If we roll around, I'm dead. If we roll around, I'm just jumping over there with the rope. Hey, young boy. It better. Oh, no! Oh. Bro. I almost died. Oh, freak. Homeboy. Homeboy, can I jump on your thing real quick? You got some more seats on that? You got some more seats on that? Oh no, I'm gonna freaking die. I'm gonna be the first one to die when this all happens. Doom. Oh shoot. Oh no, 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 no. Oh freak. I just died. But now, shop, load, load again, load again. Bro, if this deletes your eyes, I'm about to be dead. Okay, load in, load in. That's it? No, it's not. Bro, oh freak, he's still going. Guys, he's freaking still going. That's how you know I'm the best builder. I'm like Bob the Builder. You already know. 13 gold. What can I buy with that? I can buy a. I'm just gonna save up. I'm gonna need to loot this though. Okay, and I'm gonna need to build another one as high as I can. Where's the window at? I need. Wait, what did I delete? Did I delete a block? Yeah, I did. Okay. Oh, freak, I screwed up. Hi. Hey. Oh, jeez. I can't get up here. Okay. Buy stuff with vehicle. Guys, I didn't even know. That was so weird. He just joins me. That was so crazy. I'm just, duck walking to my Jordan, Yes, fingers. I have fingers. I have shorts. He has pants. Okay. Say, add your ship with ours. Cause I know you got some stuff, homeboy. I saw you earlier. Yeah, do it. Load it in. Load it in. Yeah, there we go. Now we're jacked. Let's go. Oh freak. Oh freak. Now we're jacked, boys. Now we're jacked. Hop in, young boys. Hop in, boys. We have 3 flags now. I think Arel unboxed the flag that we just like 3 flags. We the red squad. Let's get it done out here. Yeah. Oh jeez. Wait, can I save this boat? Hold up, wait. Save. Yes. Oh freak. What did Arel do? Oh no, what happened? I wonder if I saved both the things. I don't know, but let's go! Bro, put your seat down. Let's go. You took my seat. Bro. Bruh. Oh, freak. Y'all are all dead. I win. Arel is... Wait. Arel, you're dying, Arel! No! 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 Arel! No! 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 All my homeboys died before we can even get to the rocks. Oh no! Ah! I'm surviving. Bro. Help. No. Bro, we already got enough. We already got enough. We already got enough. Oh, shoot. How am I surviving this? My butt cheeks are literally about to be touching the... Bro. Oh, shoot. They destroyed my seed. Okay. Okay. I got Shrek'd, dude. The ship left without me. Oh, boys, wait. Oh, boy, Arel, wait, Arel. Let me buy something from the shop real quick. Okay, I got 2 of these. What else did I get? 1 of those. Okay. So, oh, 2 of these. Oh, it's about to get lit. Y'all already know. Okay, slot B. Load. Around the floor. Just wait a little bit. Wait, we are not starting yet, Arel. Come on now. You trying to get me killed, aren't you? Okay, so now I need to go to my build. Let's connect it with these. Oh, shoot. Could've had 1 of these left. Guess those are connected. Now I just need to get 1 of these in. Bang. Okay. So now what do I even do? Oh, hold on, wait. How did he get up there? Oh, jeez, what did I do? Hold on, wait, can I save this real quick? Parkour. Oh, freak. I'm doing an obby right now, guys. Go, Arel, go! Arel! Why'd you freaking RKO me? Watch out, watch out, watch out. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Oh, freak. Where's my seat? What up, Arel? Yeah. We are alone now. Means we get down to some business. We're all loading again. Just wait for it to load in, man. Just wait for it to load in. Ready, set, go. No! 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 That's that guy. Now I can build another tower. Boom. Oh, freak. Okay, get in here. Ooh. Ooh. Arel, what are you doing? All the stuff that's hanging around, I can push around. I'm just gonna. I cannot push that around. Okay, so we're like joining the stuff together. Boy, if you won't get off my head the next 3 seconds. Oh freak, this is gonna get hard. It is an obby. So it has to be a hard obby. Oh freak. Arel! Delete it! Arel, you have like 3 anyway. Delete it, man. Delete that. Delete a tower. Yeah, young boy, you gotta delete a tower, else it won't work. I know it's the same. I know it's the same because we're both on mobile. He's on his tablet. I'm on my phone. So. Other one. Say other one. There you go. Now we know. That, oh freak. I'll just pick up all this mess over here. Place it again. Then. What the heck? Hashtagged. Someone please join me. Nope. Please? Nope. Guys. I don't want to. Okay. Bang. A road. See you guys when we actually get this figured out. Okay, guys, we got everything figured out, but As you guys can see, it didn't go too well. Yeah. Rose was like, let's go, and he was like, I'm ready. He said, I'm ready, and I was like, okay. And then, wait, I wonder if I can run on the grass. That'd be sick. But okay, so what basically happened was I put my thing up here. I got up here, and now I'm like literally never gonna die unless this long part hits a rock. Then I'm screwed. But if it doesn't, wait. Oh yeah, I got the tornadoes part with Arel. And we're like, Arel, we did not prepare for this. Arel, I did not prepare for this. If you're on the left side, you're gonna get hit by tornadoes. I'm gonna tell you that now. Because the left side is like pretty good for a while, but then when you get to the tornadoes, you're just done. We are. Hey, hit it. Hit it. We are going. Oh, freak. Oh, freak. Oh, freak. Just don't break my seat and I will be okay. Just do not break the seat. Oh, okay. Oh, it's lagging. Oh, jeez. Oh, I'm rolling. I just wanna rolly with a dabber and I already got something to it. I'm a fan. Oh, Arel is like charging. He's like, charge! No. Like, dang. I almost hit something. Arel's done. We're on the gears part. Oh, Arel's pieces. You're gonna hit it. Oh, come on, Arel. Oh. These towers can take a lot of damage. Jeez. And then Arel's is better than mine. Cause, oh, freak. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh my goodness, bro. I just freaking rolled over done. Roly-poly dead. Oh, I got two of these. Tight. I got two of these. Tight. Got one more box. Oh, freak. I don't have enough. And who can say Boom. I'm gonna reset real quick. Oh, LOL. Okay. So we did all the stuff, you know. We did a lot of things today, which we will do another thing today. But let me see. Okay, guys, make sure to, if you guys want to see more collabs with Arel, aka Vanessa Long, search up Vanessa Ad on YouTube, or you can just go to my playlist and you can subscribe to him there. But guys, like this video if you want to see more collabs with Arel, and I'm gonna keep playing this off camera. But see you guys in the next video.